Activity book, page 7. 7. Listen and write a name or a number.
Hello, Lucy. Is this a picture of your friends?
Yes. The boy's name is Dan.
Is that D-A-N?
Yes.
How old is Dan?
He's 9.
9?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1.
Who is the girl?
That's Grace.
Is that G-R-A-C-E?
Yes, it is.
2.
How old is Grace?
She's 10.
10?
Yes, she is.
3.
Where does Dan live?
He lives in Sun Street.
S-U-N?
That's right.
4.
What number is Dan's house?
It's number 6.
Number 6?
Yes.
5.
What is the name of Grace's book?
It's Mouse House.
Is that M-O-U-S-E?
Yes.